Hello, everyone. How are you? Okay, KLACI. Okay, 1,005 already. Yes, congratulations. Scalable. Okay, no problem. Okay, hello, Jordan. Review HSI, no problem. HWGB. Okay, from Wong and still related. Okay, let me know more specific counters lah, so that would be easier for me to analyze. Otherwise, too many already. Okay, so let me know the steel counters you want me to review lah. Okay, I know got like light industry Anjo and others I not really remember already lah. Okay, so hello Anthony PPHB. Okay, Mass Steel. Okay, and RHB. Okay, S1 S2 R1 L2. And what I noticed on the steel counters, they usually just like to do some 1 day or 2 day show like that, then hilang already. Okay, but no problem. Later we go through together. Good together. Okay, so yeah, before we start, please help me to click like and also share this video. Okay, and today content, let's warm up with the market outlook, which include the US market, oil, gold, cryptocurrency, and FBMKLCI. Only follow with our stocks Q&A. Okay, let me know the stocks you want me to review and your plan, whether you are looking for R1, R2, or S1, S2, or your average price. Okay, so good evening, Insas and Sing. When you want to open courses? Okay, let me think first. Okay, okay. I will plan now. Okay, I will plan. I will plan. Okay, so disclaimer: all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation, or are just for education purposes. Okay, so please help me to click like and share this video, and please be informed that Seafood apps finally they have the interactive live chat. For those who need the live chat, you may subscribe to them. Okay, let's go for the stocks Q&A. Okay, at least we let's go through the market outlook. Okay, at least we can know the overall market sentiment. Okay, so far for US side in my opinion they are still all right. Okay, for Dow Jones they have been in the same range for the past 4 to 5 weeks lah. Okay, so long they are above 37K, I think they are still pretty strong. Okay, even though I feel they are quite overbought already lah. Okay, I expect they might retest the support, and if they can get supported, they still got chance to create another all-time high. Okay, currently Dow Jones already at the all-time high. Okay, same to S&P, they are hitting previous high. Okay, they are trying to break above 4,008. And last week itself, S&P recover previous week losses. Okay, seems like the bullish trend macam still ada. Okay, S&P, Nasdaq as well. Okay, also recover previous week losses. Okay, seems like they still never give out, still got chance to go up further. Okay, and let's see. Okay, we go for the oil price first. Okay, so far oil point of view. Okay, you can see weekly point of view. They are still supported by the 200 weeks moving averages. Okay, now you can see previously they also supported quite many weeks before they rally up. This time the same. Okay, I see so far. As long as the closing price stay above $70, should be still all right for the oil price. WTI. And for the gold, on the other hand, I think gold is still pretty bullish and they are still following the uptrending channel. Okay, so long the price above 2000, I think gold is still pretty bullish. At the moment, they are trading at 2051. And I think they do have potential to retest 2075 or even higher. Okay, and we go for the HSI. Okay, HSI is quite disappointing. Okay, even last week closing for me is not really good. Okay, the only good is like, oh, they trying to supported by 16.2K. Okay, even though if we back to the daily chart, what you can see here. Okay, this is a sell down, pull back, and today also lah fail to break above 16.3K. At the moment, they gonna press down to 16.1 or 16.1K lah. So if the closing price like that, I think they do have potential to test 16K. Okay, crucial level 16K. Once they fail to hold, also means they already give out this level already. So market may dive further. Okay, probably to okay, when was that? 2022 November level. Okay, probably next level is 15.5K. Okay, before we conclude, they might go to 14.8K lah. Okay, so far HSI is quite disappointing lah. Okay, even though I do have some try to do some bottom fishing from this level lah, with my cut loss below 16K. Okay, if below, I also need to give out on the longs already. Okay, and how about, okay, after HSI, we go for the cryptocurrency. Okay, as we all know, cryptocurrency for the Bitcoin, okay, last week the ETF is just approved, but if you see on the weekly point of view, actually Bitcoin price is still within the range. They are just trading within 40K to 44K only. Okay, only last week itself, after the ETF approved, they do have a breakout above 44K all the way to 48K. But by end of week, they gonna press down lah. Okay, closing price about below 42K. Okay, based on this candle, actually it's not so nice because they do push out, and by end of week is a seller press down. So for me, it's more on bear side. Okay, but if we based on the structure point of view, actually they are just sideways lah. Okay, so yeah, I expect they might retest the support maybe 40K lah and go sideways. Okay, until they break up either way lah. Okay, so same to Ethereum. Okay, in Ethereum on the other hand, they already broke above 2003, 2004. Okay, the only thing is they got attempt to break out 2005 lah, kena pressure down. So we see lah. Okay, so long the price above 2003, I think should be okay for the Ethereum. Okay, lastly is our FBMK LCA. Okay, last week closing for me is a neutral. Okay, market indecisive, and more on a little bit pressure at the 15K. Okay, sorry, 15K lah, 1005. Okay, not 15K, not so fast. Maybe need 10, 20 years. Okay, so at the moment they are at or near the resistance. Okay, 1500, 1505. Okay, back to the daily chart. Okay, as previous week, I think we do review on the potential support 1487, 1482, or 1477. So market bounce from 1482. Okay, and today Monday. Okay, maybe due to the U.S. market sentiment not so bad lah. So also benefited to our market sentiment, market pull up. Okay, so next thing is we need to make sure they can break above 1005 or 1505 and stay above. Okay, can stay above as long as possible lah. Otherwise, okay, it could be like here lah during this time. You thought breakout already, but no, they gonna press down. So the next few days is KLCI need to break and close above at least 1005. And best if they can break out above 1505 and retest. Okay, proven that this is a good support, then would be good for our FBMK LCI. Otherwise, they just break out and go back below, then no game lah. Okay, they may go back. They will be like this lah. Okay, maybe they will just go sideways. Okay, so next few things we need to make sure that KLCI can stay above 1005 lah. Okay, last. Okay, so we got 32 people and 14 people. Okay, so please help me to click like and share this video. Okay, please help me to share these videos to your maybe your social media or your group chat. Okay, maybe your stocks group chat or family group chat also can so we can get more viewers to join in our live session. Okay, let's see. Okay, KLCI 1005 we review already, so we go for the Scalable from Shamsu. Okay, it's Scalable in my opinion not so strong. MACD already crossed down. Okay, market, okay, on Thursday, they break below 345. Okay, then and break below 20 MA lah. Okay, today on Friday, okay, they attempt to bounce up, but you can see they are unable to recover back above 345. Okay, today gonna press down a bit. Okay, although no volumes. So in my opinion, unless cable can recover back above 345, only consider safe. Otherwise, they could visit 245. Okay, which is here. Okay, so what I see is should be goreng base already. Okay, so when you can see here, 20th of December and also 5th of January, here and here. Okay, you can see they do have a high volumes. Okay, at resistance and with some rejection. So the price already come back down here. So for me is not so strong already. They might come back down to revisit 245 level. Okay, unless by tomorrow, okay, or yeah, Wednesday, they can recover back above 345 lah. Okay, otherwise, more on bear lah. Okay, review HWGB. HWGB macam diam-diam. Okay, the chances I think is still there as the price is above 20. Oh, sorry, let me delete this one. Let me. Okay, as the price is still above 20, 50, 100 MAs. So short term point of view, the chances is still there. Okay, so at the moment they're at the support 255. I will put a last defense for them at 245. Okay, so long the price stay above 245, 255, I think the chances is still there. With the MACD is crossing up, I think the momentum should be fine. Okay, if happen, they can pump up. Okay, watch out on 30 cents level. 30 cents 305 is the 200 MAs resistant. Okay, so the chances is still there. And how about, okay, mass steel is the next steel counters. Let's review and see. It must still diam nothing much. Okay, momentum is still fine. Okay, they are still above 20, 50, 100, 200 MA. So I think still all right. Okay, still all right. So maybe support 340. Okay, stay above 340, 335. I think should be fine. And yeah, thin on the resistance 360, 370. Okay, you can see they been rejected 2, 3 times already, okay, at this level. So whenever they spike out, you need to take note. Here is a place for you to at least, okay, protect partial profit. Okay, PPHB, EP, okay, let me see. PPHB first. EP 77, today closing price 79, 79, okay, so still all right. S1, S2 support is 760. Okay. Support 2. Okay, because this was a resistant, right? So they attempt breakout fear and recently breakout retest again. So 760 would be their S1. Okay, for me the S2 a bit far lah. Okay, it's about 725. Okay, for a resistant, take note on the extreme level back in 29th of November. Okay, which is somewhere around 810. Okay, today closing price 790 lah. So you watch out this level. Okay, because they've been rejected strongly on 29th of November. So this level you also need to respect lah. 810. And the next resistance, okay, which was February 23, okay. Last year, February resistance 840. Okay, you can see this is also one of the strong resistance because last year lah, okay, they have a good rally up and the peak level was 840. So this level is your R1, R2. Okay, so next one is RHB. Okay, recover. Wow, this one memang cun they recover from the 200 MAs. So your EP is about 552. Okay, still a little bit high, but it's still all right. Okay, at least in small profit lah. Okay, the only small concern is when they go up, the volumes. Okay, especially today and Friday, the volumes okay only lah. Okay, only. So since you already EP, take note on your S1 548. Okay, a stronger support I would say 543 and 539 lah. Okay, immediate one I would say 548 and the resistance 560. Okay, and also previous high 565. Okay, 560, 565. Okay, Gadang today macam ada show ada volumes, ada show. Okay, Gadang, if we look back, okay, recently they just break above 355, right? This was a strong resistance, okay, back in 22 November, July, okay, until now. Okay, recently breakout and stay above 355. Today another pump up. So they are at your R1, R2 already. Okay, R1 is a 390. Okay, 390 is a small rejection. Okay, previously was a support back in 22 April. Okay, now turn into resistant 390. And 40 cents is a psychology level lah. Okay, so 390, 40 cents, you can put it as a R1. Okay, if happen, they still can another spike up. Okay, if happen, okay, market can continue bullish lah. Okay, maybe we can put around here can lah. Okay lah. I also need to respect this level lah. Okay, 435. Okay, it's about another 10%. Okay, this is a April 22 resistant. Okay, 435. Okay, if one here a bit far already, too far already. Okay, for me, a strongest one would be here, but depends on market sentiment. Huh? If market sentiment suddenly U-turn, then they maybe no chance to visit this level. Okay, next stronger one, I will put at 50 cents level. Okay, this was a gap down. Okay, they've been rejected back in 2020 June. Okay, so yeah, in between they will face some minor resistance. Okay, 40 cents after 40 cents, 435. Okay, 435, 465, and the strong one would be 50 cents. Okay, depends on market sentiment. So far, so good. I see 40 cents should be no problem. Okay, if they can break up, then you watch out 435. Okay, good evening, Insas and Teo Sing. Insas also memang good. Last week I noticed discounters, but I feel already so high, so I didn't go and look into it. Okay, and today they do good. They did a great job, lah. Okay, pump out a lot. Okay, from 995 or 1 ringgit, pump all the way 20% to 120. So if we can see they pump up, they break above 2021 November resistance, which is at 112. Let me scroll out and see any high. Oh, okay. Okay, maybe I put around 110. Okay, to be fair. No more lah. Huh? Let me see. Monthly chart. Okay, no more. Okay, so what we can see here. Okay, they today break above 110. So meaning that 110 would be their crucial support. Okay, because if we zoom out, you can see here. Okay, was a resistance back in 2014. Okay, it's about 10 years ago resistance. And also 2021 resistance. Okay, finally they break out. So when they retest, as long as the price can stay above 110, I think it's still good for the INSAS. Okay, if they go below, maybe it could be a false breakup. Okay, so if we use the Fibonacci to project the next resistance, probably I will put until 139 lah. We see can or not lah. Okay. Okay, next one is a Teo Sing. Deone, Teo Sing. Okay, so far so good. Still in the uptrending mode. Okay, the only thing is they are a little bit far from the 20 MA only. Okay, trend point of view, I think short term, mid term, they are still pretty bullish. Okay, long term also good lah. Okay, as you can see, the trend started since March 2023. Okay, before March 2023, they are more into sideways. Okay, then the trend is still in the uptrending mode. So far, let me see. Yeah, so far so good lah. Okay. So support point of view, we can say they already break above 175. So long above 175, short-term point of view, I think it's still good. Okay, LC already hit resistance. Okay, 157. I think these counters I've been shared on my YouTube and also previously, I think we do share during the live session. I do mention this is the gap resistance. Okay, 157. Okay, and LC already hit today and a little bit rejection. Okay, overall trend is still good. Just that today candle looks like some profit taking. So I expect they might have some pullback before going up further. Okay, if happen they pull back, watch out on 145. Stay above is still good. Okay, game is still on. But if they break below, then maybe they will have a stronger correction. Okay, for LC. Okay, review AAX, capital A, and MSM. Okay, AAX. AX nothing, more on sideway lah. Okay, everything is in sideway. For me lah, okay, if betting on the bull or the bear lah, I will bet on the bear side more. Okay, because one of the reason is they already broke below the 200 MAs. So the chances of going down is much higher unless the price can recover back above 2 ringgit. Okay, baru ada story. and the chances of breaking down below 184 is there. Okay, so if you still want to wash out, okay, you take note on 184 as their immediate support. Okay, yeah, if break below, I think not so good lah. Okay, they may go to 160. Okay, capital A. Okay, do bear in mind if you both, if your portfolio have AX and capital A, you are adding up double the risk on the same sector. Okay, this also we can say is the same company lah. You can see capital A also similar pattern, but they already happen. They keep resisted by the 200 MAs. Okay, especially beginning of January, right? Unable to go through 860 and recently break below 825, break below 80 cents, and they are heading all the way to 730. Okay, so at the moment they need to stop a bit lah because this is one of the support. Okay, maybe they will have a short-term bounce up before going down further. So in my opinion, AAX may follow the trend just like this. So for me, is they are still in the bearish mode until we see some signal lah. Okay, otherwise, not worth for us to jump in lah. Okay, if 730 fail to hold, next support would be somewhere around 675. Okay, so MSM. Okay, MSM more on sideway. Okay, ever since they break above 172 on 3rd of January, they are just in a sideway mode. So take note on 169. So long the price above 169, I think the breakout is still valid. Okay, and watch out on the next resistance, 190. Okay, Powerwell. Okay, today got volumes. Okay, good. Okay, at the volume, you can put in the watch list lah. Okay, they've been sideways since October 23. Okay, unable to go through to 260. Okay, tested once, or you can say they tested here 255. Okay, tested multiple times. Today finally break up. Okay, but the only thing is current price is near the resistance 275. If happen, okay, they have some retracement. Okay, I would say if can now, okay, somewhere around. Okay, best level would be 255. Okay, but I'm not sure whether they want to come back to fetch you or not lah. So you take note maybe 255, 260. Okay, take note this is an ideal level to KIV. Okay, if we jump in on 270, a little bit risky as previously they have a resistance here at 275. Okay, I afraid that if you jump in later they hit 275, then they terbalik down. Okay, so if happen, they can retrace down the best lah. Okay, or you can wait for the break above. Okay, once they can clear 275, next level is 30 cents. So still got about 10% range. Okay, so overall, I think the structure, the power, okay, the momentum should be okay for the power well. Okay, so next one is the okay, KGB Straits and PM. Okay, KGB first. Okay, KGB so far so good, still in the uptrending mode. But what I see here is they might have some retracement before going up further. So take note when they retest 215, stay above. I think it's still alright. Okay, they are still follow the 20 MA. Means the short term momentum is still alright. Okay, so next one is Straits. Okay, this one Penny. Okay, recently got the breakup 8 and 9 of January. Market stable, stay above 130. I think it's still alright. Okay, just you can expect lah. The pattern is more on boring one. Maybe they need sideways, 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 then suddenly pump up. Okay, if happen they pump up, watch out on 155 is your resistance. Okay, PM holding. Okay, so far ever since the gap out, they supported very well at the 125. Okay, so far it's still alright. Okay, today attempt to push up a little bit, but I think got some profit taking at the 150. So yeah, still the same support. Take note on 125, 115, and 105. So best if the price can stay above 120. Okay, stay above 120 should be good. Okay, maybe I will delete this level lah. Okay, if they fail to hold, okay, fail to stay above 120, they may come back down to fill the gap, which is 105. Okay, for the PM holding. Okay, Ajinomoto. Okay, Ajinomoto is more on sideways. Okay, but the trend point of view, they are still in the uptrending mode. Okay, they are still in uptrend. Just that currently the range is getting tighter. Okay, you can see here is a very well. Then here is more on tight range. Okay, but overall they are still in the uptrending mode. Okay, they have been uptrend since 2023. Okay, during 2023 they do have a good rise. Then now more on stabilize, more on sideways already. So RG is still okay lah, in my opinion. Okay, just the range won't be that much. Okay, support 15.8, 15.4, and resistance. Take note here. They tested twice already, 16.3. Okay, once they can clear, you only watch here, 17 ringgit. Okay, Hao Ken. Okay, MRCB, EcoVest, Econ Berhad. Today, macam property also good breakup. Okay, previously MRCB keep tested 50 cents. Okay, you can see since last year September, they keep tested 1, 2, 3, unable to go through. Okay, January also tested once, unable to go through. Finally, today break up with high volumes. So means that resistance turn support. Okay, so long the price stay above 50 cents, I think it's still good. Okay, next resistance, if we zoom out, okay, this was a minor support lah back in 2020 February. Now turn into resistance. Okay, next resistance 585. Okay, after 585, a strong 165. Okay, too far already. We don't see until here first lah. Okay, so it happen they can hit 585. You watch out lah whether they can break through or not. Okay, next one is a EcoVest. Okay, EcoVest at the resistance as on Friday, they already truly jump first lah. Okay, market open gap up, close high. Okay, but they still at the resistance that okay since last year unable to go through 60 cents. Okay, but overall based on the price action, I think it's still pretty strong. Okay, especially Friday they do have a good pump up. Okay, the only thing is maybe they are too shy to do a breakout lah. Okay, once they can clear 60 cents, should be good for the EcoVest. Okay, next level. Okay, next level. Watch out here. 640. Why? Okay, they do have a gap down back in 2020 February. Okay, tested once, May 2020. Tested twice, September 2020. Okay, so yeah, you can see they tested many times already, unable to go through. So this is also proven resistant. Okay, so next level 640 lah. And yeah, overall they are still good lah. Hopefully our sentiment still can continue lah. Okay, Econ Berhad also good. Okay, as today they break above 345. Okay, so long they are above 345, I think it's still good. And watch out on the next resistance, okay, which was October resistance 385. Okay, 385. Once they can clear 40 cents for 30 low. Okay, once they can clear 385, 430. Okay, so far with the volumes come in, I think it's still all right. Okay, unless tomorrow is a bearish candle with higher volumes or high volumes, then not so good. Okay, otherwise should be okay. Okay, unless tomorrow candle looks like this, then not so good. Okay, otherwise I think it's still good to see them maybe might visit 385 lah. Okay, review ACY Jackson and Binacom. Okay, let's go for the JCY. Okay, JCY, you can see a big antenna on 9th of January. Right? Looks like a big shooting star. High volumes. Okay, this is a profit taking days lah. Okay, when they try to penetrate, okay, 250, okay, unable to break through. So gonna press down. I think more on may go back to support level lah. Okay, I think they might go back to 210 or 20 cents. Okay, so far if we see the trend, they are still in a small uptrending mood. So I think it's still all right. So long they are above 20 cent, I think it's okay. Okay, just that recently got people, okay, you can see the high volume take profit. So maybe they not so soon might come. Okay, they might take sometimes. Okay, maybe the price may need to go sideways. Okay, just like here, may sideways for another few weeks, few months like that. Okay, after JCY, we go for the Jackson. Okay, Jackson is still in a sideways lah. Okay, you can see nothing much. Not so exciting. Price also sideways. Okay, because back in June they just done a pump and dump. So now more on sideways. Probably they are pending for a breakout lah. Okay, maybe I will put here 290 lah. Okay, they are more in the sideways zone. Maybe you can say above 255 is still all right. Okay, below 255, maybe we need to review again. Maybe not so good. Okay, Binacom. Okay, Binacom recently got some volumes. 10 of January, some volume pump up. Then retest with low volumes today and the pump out with high volumes. So I think this is quite interesting lah. Okay, this counter is quite interesting. Okay, take note on 295, 30 cents. Okay, stay above 295 or we can give them buffer lah, 290. Okay, stay above 290. I think they do have some chances and they need to break through here lah because they tested multiple times already. 325. Okay, stay above 290. I think the trade is still valid. If they are able to break through 325, I think it's pretty good. Okay, maybe they will have some rally up, maybe 350 or we don't say 40 cents first lah. Okay, we say 350 first lah. Okay, ceiling and task ceiling Okay, ceiling so far so good. Okay, high volume pump on 4th of January. Then market sideways, stay above 20 cents. Okay, so far supported by the 205. I think it's still pretty good. Just that you can see since 5th of January, okay, they just sideways. Okay, nothing much. So if happen, they can pump out. Watch out on the resistance 240, 265. Okay, this is a ceiling. And the task. Let me see. TAS already pump out so much. They hit 595. Now more on retracement. I expect they might test a 525 or 50 cents level. Okay, EP for the Wellcore and Gtronic. Okay, let me see. Got chance or not? If they continue spike out, really no chance one. Okay, Wellcore. At the moment, they are testing the 20 MA. Maybe you can see here. Okay, two level to consider. One is 165, which is a 20 MA. Second is a 160. Okay, but the upside I don't know limited or not because they also went up quite much already, and their immediate resistance is a 175. Gtronic. Okay, Gtronic is still alright. Okay, but they already bounce up. Okay, so seems like no chance to retrace. Okay, if happen they can come back down to somewhere around 170. I think okay to KIV lah this level. Okay, how about the Edaran? Edaran. Wow, how to read this? Dividends. Okay, hold on. I forgot to open another chart. Okay, let me reconfirm with the chart. Okay, instead, in case they do have a dividends, then the price adjusted. Because for the trading views, they may take few days to do the adjustment. Okay, let me review the WCT first. Okay, WCT so far so good They retrace supported 515 quite well, and today with another pump up. Okay, this is my trade plan. Okay, so this one I think quite good. Got volume pump up. So take note on the resistance 575, 595 as R1, R2. Okay, with the volumes, as long as they are above 520, I think the WCT should be okay. Okay, wait for them to update first. Okay, I go for other counters first. Pekka. PECCA. Okay. Okay, for me, these counters for me, I don't know when they want to sudden sell down lah. Okay, but so far they do it for quite many years. So far, it's still in the uptrending. Okay, for me, it's more on like money game counters lah. Okay, but so far they are still supported their price quite well, and the trend is still moving up. So take note on the support 129 and 125. Okay, so long the price above 125 should be still all right. Okay, recently they also got pump out with some volumes lah. Okay, for me, I would not so recommend to touch. Okay, we don't know when they will suddenly sell down. Okay, if got somebody come back to support, then still all right. But some counters looks like this one. Sometimes they straight limit down for a few days, then take quite many years to come back lah. Okay, so if you know what counters, you can let me know. Okay, let's go back to the hold on, Edaran. Edaran. Okay, let me confirm price adjustment already adjusted. So this is a valid breakout lah. Okay. Okay, these counters. Okay, if want to review, I think they are still good. Okay, just that they already gap up so much already. I also don't know how to advise. Okay, I would say they are still nice lah. Okay, support point of view. 122. Okay, maybe yeah, so long they are above 122 should be okay. Okay, or you can use a 20 MA. Stay above 20 MA, I think it's still alright. Okay, how about Spreezer? Okay, Spreezer hit 220, retrace. Okay, currently they are back into the interesting level, which is near the 20 MA. So watch out on the 194 to 191. Okay, I'm more interested with here. Because here was a resistance, they break out, now turn into support. Okay, previously they pump out, profit take on 9th of January, then they come back down. So yeah, let's see any support when they revisit a 191, 194 level. Okay, Samaiden group. Okay, let's see. Bounce up. Okay, recently, okay, 458 January got some volume pump up. Then them few days. Okay, these counters, in my opinion, they are still alright. Okay, they are still alright. Because you can see the big trend. This counter big trend, they are still okay. Since when? 2022 lah. Okay, they are still in the uptrend. Okay, just recently they have faced some correction, but so far 200 MA is quite supported quite well, and they recover back above all moving averages. So in my opinion, they are still good. And the only thing is they need to break through lah. Okay, breakthrough 123, then good. Okay, overall I think it's still good. Okay, review MK Land. Oh, MK Land macam today pun ada story ya. Okay, MKLand breakout above 225, 235 back in beginning of January. Then they sideways many days. Today finally breakout, another breakout with high volumes. Okay, they straight hit 255 lah. Is a first resistance. So far, I think it's still okay. Since your EP is a 245, okay, actually your EP is quite near. But don't worry. Take note on 240 and 235. Stay above your position should be still good. Okay, next thing is for MKLand, they need to break through 255 lah. Once they can clear, you only see 280. Okay, TNB. Okay, RHB we covered already. Sorry. Let me go to Naga. Tada. Oh, quite good this one. Friday is still okay. Friday, they attempt to break down 1030, but still supported. And today come with follow with our FBM KLCI. Okay, follow the trend. So they still push up, closing price 1050. So overall for the Tenaga, if you holding for even you're holding for short term, I think it's still okay. Short term, mid term, long term, I think it's still good. Okay, I haven't seen any sign of weakening or whatever. Okay, still all right. Okay, so long you remember this level. Okay, 10 ringgit is your first warning. 980 is your second warning. Okay, so long they are above, I think the big trend is still good. Okay, tapi if go below 980, maybe we need to review again. Maybe got some reversal down. Okay, if happen, they can continue shoot up. Watch out 11 ringgit lah. Okay. So I think it's still okay. Now 11 ringgit, near 11 ringgit lah. Okay, maybe 10.90 like that. Okay, was a 2019 resistant. Okay, tested twice and also 2020 April they also close by. Okay, 10.90. But still okay lah overall. Good evening, Aisha. Okay, IOI property. IOI PG. Okay, still good. Today, another pump out with volumes. Break above 197. Closing price 202. This one, let me see. I need sometimes to do to load the charts. Okay, they also break or they are testing the 2014 and 201. Yeah, they are testing a 2014 resistance now. Okay, for me, they are still in a good shape. The trend is still in the uptrending. So yeah, still okay. Okay, just that maybe you can say, oh, they are a little bit overbought. Okay, because current right, 20 MA is at here only. Okay, 20 MA is about 180 like that. Okay, should be, yeah, 180 like that. So a little bit overbought already. So sooner or later, maybe they might have some retracement to revisit the 20 MA. Could be 185 or 197. Okay. MRCB, EP. Okay, resistance turn support. Okay, so okay, if happen they have some retracement, okay, to 50 cents, I think it's the best place lah. Okay, let me see any closer EP we can review. Okay, the 4 p.m. only shoot up. Before that, they have a breakout on 2:30. Then 4 p.m. and they baru wake up lah. But so far the breakout I would say is quite legit lah. Okay, if you cannot wait, 520. If you can wait, okay, 50 cents lah. Okay. So long the closing price is above 490, I think the breakout is still good. Okay, still have potential. So yeah, two level to consider lah. 520 or 50 cents. Okay, depends on your risk tolerance. If you happen to EP at 520, of course your loss size need to be smaller lah. Okay, because your stop loss is still the same. Below 490 is your stop loss. Okay, if happen lucky they push down to, okay, they press down to 50 cents, then you can put a larger lot size with a same stop loss. Okay, so I think can KIV lah since they break out already. So yeah, if they tomorrow open gap out, okay, especially in the market 9 a.m. open gap out push out, then you can choose to ignore lah. Okay, don't chase lah. Later kena trap, not worth lah. Okay, for me, Gabongan, they already hit the resistance 390. So previously, you can see they always hit here. They retrace back to 340 level lah. Okay, this time they also hit. For me, slightly high risk if we chase into 390 level. Okay, current price is about 385 lah. So if happen, they can retrace down 370 365 I think we only review lah. Okay, otherwise I don't want you to take risk at this level. Okay, they could continue go up to 40 cents. Then maybe you turn down. So your RR not so worth, but overall structure is still worth to KIV. Okay, just that I more good lah. I prefer lower price. Okay, probably 365. I only interested to KIV discounters. Okay. Okay, I feel they still can go up, just that not worth for us to risk it lah. Okay. So Gabongan Eco West just now cover already. We go for WCE HB. Okay, WCHB so far so good. Okay, they already pull up so much. Okay, they need some rest lah. Okay, so more on sideway lah. Okay, more on sideway. Okay, so YTL power. This one memang power no retracement at all. You can see they go up since 3rd of January. until today, never stops. Okay, they are heading to 4 ringgit level. So you take note on this level. Okay, if you already eat, congratulations. You can just take note on 350. Stay above, you are still safe. Okay, if you just plan to go in, actually, we don't have a good entry for these counters as they don't have any good retracement. Okay, they just rest 3 days, then shoot out already. Okay, so if you already in, yeah, take note on 4 ringgit is your next resistance. Okay, MN holding. MN holding, I thought we just covered. Right. Okay. MN holding today break above 580. So you take note on the support. Okay. Resistance turn support. So long the mother share stay above 580 should be okay. Let me see the sun. 2028. Okay. 2028 baru expired. So it's still good. Okay. Still many years to go lah. So the sun price. Sorry. The sun price, maybe we can put 375410 S1 S2. Okay, R1 R2 for SCIP. Ini you scold them, they continue go up. You scold them again, they continue go up. So yeah, they also filled the gap back in 2021. 2021. Okay, 115. So from here, we go back to the 2021, okay, during May time, okay, May, June that time. Okay, they do have a gap down, right? So 115, 1 ringgit is your S1, S2. Okay, how about the resistance? 14, 149, 168. Okay, these counters has been do a pump and dump before lah. Okay, back in 202, 2020, 2021, 2019. Okay, up, down. So today another uptrend. So yeah, take note on your support only. 115, 1 ringgit. Okay, so far they yet to give up. Okay, they still continue push up. Okay, so it's still okay. And the resistance, okay, current price 119. So maybe I need to give you an immediate resistance. 119. Wow, so many resistance. Okay, 128, 135, 149. Okay, watch out this few level first. I don't know when they only want to sudden sell down. Okay, so far, yeah, a bit overbought in my opinion. Okay, review SH Chan EP38. Shin Chan. It's Shin Heng Chan. Okay, Shin Heng Chan. Okay, let me delete. Okay, they have a good setup on 3rd of January, but second day open gap up, close low. Okay, recently retest a 20 MA. The only thing is a lack of volumes lah. Okay, not many people trade these counters. Okay, since your EP is a 380, I think it's still fight above. Okay, as long as they are above 355, I think it's still good. Okay, but if happen, they can go up to here about 40 cents or 415. Okay, you need to take note lah because they've been rejected multiple times here about 415 level. Okay, how about ATAMS? ATAMS. Oh, tak berapa good lah. Pump up, they wash down. So your EP is 315. Okay, since you already EP, then you wait for them lah. Okay, see they want to go back above 315 or not. Okay. Otherwise, you take note on 295. It's your last defense already. Okay. Above 295 also is above the 200 MAs. Okay. Still got chance. But if they close below 295, I think not so nice already. Okay. Kobe cut loss again last week. Okay. Let me see. Bottom fishing fear. Ayo, disappointed though. This one. This level. Okay, 130 fail to hold, then no game ready lah. So these counters wait again Okay, quite disappointing. Okay, just like here lah, they also sideways many months, then break down. Okay, we have to give out on them yet first. Okay, so cheap can be cheaper. So next level probably we can wait somewhere around 1 ringgit. we see any chance. Okay, or wait for some signal. Otherwise, not worth for us to risk our money. Okay, so next one is for EP for Sunway. Okay, if the price keep going up so high, I not really know how to advise on the good EP lah. Okay, the only thing is we need to wait for them revisit the 20 MA. Okay, at the moment 20 MA is about 215 lah, and today closing price is about 240. So I don't think it's a good idea for us to chase in. Okay, we better wait for something like suddenly they have sell down, or especially with some bad global sentiment, they sell down, then you only go and grab. Okay, otherwise current price, I think even you can get at the 230 to 240 level, your reward is limited. Okay, so try not to be FOMO. Okay, when the price go up, okay, wait for some fearful event. We only go in. Otherwise, at the moment, I not so recommend to do any EP unless you just want do some short term trade. But short term trade, 2 ringgit plus counters also not much meat lah. Like from 230 to 240 like that only. Not much lah. Okay, so wait lah. Still okay, these counters. We need to wait for some events, okay, some retracement, then only get it lah. Okay, I prop covered already. We go for the UEMS. Okay, UEMS okay, previously back in 8th of January, they hit 108 and rejected. Okay, so far you can see properties. Okay, this one UEM is more on sideways. Okay, so long the price above 915, I think they are still pretty good. Okay, this was a this was a resistance. So they break out here. Then they retest the support. So they are more into sideways. So I think they might just wandering around 1 ringgit 975 like that. Okay, if lucky, maybe they might revisit 915 again. Okay, just sideways, then pending for them to break out above 108. Trend or momentum, yeah, still okay. Still okay. So this one maybe you can see somewhere around 975. Yeah, if lucky, maybe 920 level lah. Okay, comment on PA, Powerwell, and OCK, any EP points. Okay, PA cannot already, PA last week, I think I do share on my YouTube on the ideal entry. So they actually already hit 30 cents and today pump out already. So they are approaching the next resistance, which is a 345. Okay, which is a January, February, okay, last year resistance. So for me, is your upside, okay, from current price to 345 is about 6% only lah. Not don't take the unnecessary risk lah. Okay, they are still good. Just that current entry price not my things lah. Okay, how about OCK? Okay, let me see got any good choice. OCK is still acceptable. Okay, the only thing is current price is quite near to the 50 cents. Okay, if happen they can retrace to 475. Okay, let me see any chances. Yeah, the breakout, the volume okay. 9:30 Monday 9:30 volume pump out. Another 2:30 got some volumes, so maybe they supported by the 480. Okay, back to here. Okay, 480, 475. Okay, to be safe lah, put I need to cover my ass also. Okay, take note on 475 as your immediate support. Okay, go below 460, no game. If tomorrow the price straight go below 460 like that, I think most likely it's a trap already lah. Okay, if they can retrace to somewhere around 475 and get supported, I think it's still good. Okay, especially when the market open, if they press down to 475, 470, I think it's quite good choice. But if the opening price is straight open to 50 cents and above, then give out first lah. Okay, don't chase. And yeah, take note on the resistance. 50 cents is a resist. Okay lah, psychology level. Okay, more accurate one should be around 520. Okay, this is a 2021 resistance. Okay, 520 is the next resistance. So watch this. Yeah, this one can see lah. Okay, next PTRB. How about target PTRB, early take profit 555? Think to add advice. How about Top Glove Armada? Where is the support to buy? Okay, let me see PTRB first. Ta-da! Wait lah. Okay, I think this is a good level for taking the profit lah. Especially you take at somewhere around 555, right? Yeah, 560 today consider a breakout above 57. Yeah, 565 closing price 570. So if you are still want to try, yeah, I'm not sure whether this is legit or not, but it's still okay lah. Okay, if you still want to try, I would see. Okay, if happen, okay, since this was a resistant, right? So here turn into support. So means if they can retest, okay, 550 or 20 MA maybe you can KIV lah. Okay, 20 MA at the moment is about 540. So take note somewhere around 540 and 555. Okay, stay above, I think, yeah, they do have potential. But break below, maybe you have to cut loss already lah. Or you can put 520 as your last defense. Go below, memang no good already. So this time, your trade plan here, your target is around here already, 625. Okay, with your cut loss below 520. So based on what I see here, your RR is not bad lah. Okay, from 550, 540, you aim until 625. Okay, your cut loss is just below 520 lah. Okay, go below memang no good. Stay above is still okay. So we can pretend here is a resistance and support. Okay, next is a Top Glove. Top Glove inside a lot of victims. So they are a bit struggle to go up one if we compare with other glove lah. Okay, but so far they already recover back above 200 MAs. So I think yeah, it's still good. Okay, just that recently they tested 1 ringgit lah. Keep tested unable to go through. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, tested twice. Okay, ideal level for me, I would prefer somewhere around 880 or 90 cents. Okay, so I give you a range lah. You take note on this level. Okay, 880, 90 cents. Okay, if they can get supported, I think it's level to KFV. But if 880 fail to hold, they might go to 80 cents level lah. Okay, so this one, yeah, trend I think is still fine lah. Still worth to monitor. Okay, just that if you look back on these counters, they had a lot of victims stay at different floor. Okay, some as level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. So when on the way go up, these people who get trapped during back in 2021 or 2022, okay, or even 2020, they will want to break even. Okay, so when on the way up, a little bit tough for them. Okay, for the trend to go up trend. Okay, unless the news suddenly come back with super good news, then maybe they're not willing to sell already. Okay, otherwise they will go up. They want to break even already or reduce their losses. Okay, Armada, where is the support to buy? Okay, support lah. Okay, we can say support is a 525. Because here right, 525. But the immediate resistance is quite close. About 550. Okay, it's a 200 MAs. As you can see, Armada, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, tested many times already. The orange line, okay, even here, okay, they macam keep resisted by the 200 MAs. So here also close, okay, also is a resistance lah. So probably if they can retest somewhere around 520, 525, you see any support lah. Binasat lah. Let me see what is that. I think should be Binacom, right? Binacom covered already. Ecovest also covered already. Celcon. Okay, Celcon quite still okay. Okay. Previously pushed up, then they pressed down, tested the red line and the blue line, which is a 2050 MA supported around 285. Bounce up. Okay, the only thing that Friday when they bounce out, the volume's okay only lah. Okay, but at least some buyer try to support the price lah. So these counters, so long they are above 275, I think it's still good. Okay, still okay. And how about Micron? Okay, Micron also pump up, but if you see the volumes are okay only, not much volumes. Okay, the only thing is they supported by the 20 MA like that only. Lor. Okay, so if compared both, I prefer Celcon. This one I'm not so confident due to the volumes, not so attractive. If speaking about the support, probably I will put somewhere around 390. Okay, if Celcon, probably if can now 290 like that lah. Okay, this is a Celcon. M&A I think covered already, right? Let me see. M&A, do they push out already? High volumes. Okay, they do have a breakout on 8th of January, right? This was a resistance, they break out, then retest 360 supported, and today another push out. So if you're already in, I think it's still good lah. Especially today got volumes push out. Okay, take note on your next resistance. Okay, let me see any all-time high. Why I put 40 cents? Oh, the internet a little bit slow. Oh, okay. Okay, 40 cents is the 2006 resistance. Oh, so yeah, they still need to respect this resistance. Okay, also quite close already. So if happen, they can break and close above 40 cents. Okay, where is oh, this one is a 220 200 20 yeah, 20 years ago 495. Oh, I need to use a weekly chart, only can see clearer. Oh, back in 206. Then here is about 2000. Okay, 2475. Okay, 475. Okay, 40 cents, 475. But so far, so good. Still okay. I will see 40 cents first, whether they can clear or not. Okay, how about the KSL? Okay, KSL is still good. Okay, today breakout above 137. Stay above 137 should be good. Okay, the only thing is a little bit overbought lah. Okay, they also push up quite much, and the price is quite far from the 20 MA, which is currently 20 MA is about 120 only. Okay, good evening. Review EP for Micron. Micron just not covered already, right? So I also forgot what I mentioned already. Yeah, the only thing is I do mention Micron don't have much volumes, but if you still interested, take note on 390 is your immediate support. And how about LKL? Tak berapa boleh the pump dump sudah habis pump dump back in December. Okay, now they dump back. 170 fail to hold, 155 fail to hold. I think they might just sideways like them lah. So nothing much for LKL. Okay, more on sideways already. Okay, how about Hata? Hata Lega. Oh, glove retrace seems like the COVID case already reduced so declining lah. So maybe don't have any good sentiment to push the growth counters They break below 280 lah. Unless by tomorrow they can recover back above 280. Otherwise, they might retrace to 260 level. Okay, 260 is also is a 50 MA level lah. So yeah, probably is more attractive level for I think growth tentatively more on the sideway lah. Okay, maybe the sentiment already goreng habis already. Okay, E&O very good. Okay, a good strong comeback on last Thursday, 11th of January. Okay, Friday breakout above 750. Today another pump up. Okay, all the way closing at the 930. So for me, they are pretty good. Okay, even here, 2021 May resistance, they also break through already. Okay, next level is obviously lah. Okay, 1 ringgit level. Okay, was a 2018 support. Okay, you can see back in 2018, they do have some support over here, right? Now turn into resistance. So, yep, take note on this resistance. Okay, review MyTech, Econ Berhad. Okay, Econ Berhad's covered already. And Esdion. Okay, MyTech first. Tak boleh lah ini. Okay, ini you think game over already or not? Or they come back to fill the gap lah, 175. Okay, these counters, if you still interested, okay, today is at their last level to hold already. Okay, 175, 165. Okay, also is a 20 MA. Okay, they support the trend. Okay, if I would say these few days is more on profit taking. Okay, if they break below 165, then confirm no game. Okay, let me see 50-minute charts. Any support? Okay, 9:45, 10 a.m., 10:15. They do have some volume supported. Okay, try to support it at 165. So probably, yeah, last chance for them already lah, 165. Stay above, yeah, maybe they still got chance to bounce up. But if they break below 165, means they also know don't want to play the game already. Okay, next level could be 135. Okay, Esdion. Oh, the triangle fear. 120 fear to hold. Go back to Tencent. For me, the formation consider fear. MACD also crossed down. So at the moment, they're at Tencent. Okay, one of the psychology level as well lah. Okay, if tomorrow close below 10 cent, I think they might go to 0.08 or even 0.06. Okay, B auto. Hey, 9:36 already. I just realized. Auto. Okay, I try my best to try to finish it before 10 p.m. lah. Okay, B auto, Burmas auto. Okay, still in the uptrending mode lah. Okay, just that the range quite boring. You can see they just sideways, sell down, bounce out, sideways like that. Okay, tentatively, I see mid-term, long-term is still fine. Okay, short-term is more on sideways lah. Okay, more on sideways. So long they are above 230 should be okay. Okay, above 230 should be okay. Just that a bit boring. Maybe you every day see the portfolio also is like maybe 237, 240, 237, 240 like that only. Okay, so they are slow. If you see the long term, they are like slow and steady lah. Okay, at the moment I see short term is more on sideways. Okay, but so far the trend should be okay lah. Okay, nothing much. Okay, next one is a well call cover already. We go for Maybank, ABNB, MRCB cover already. Okay, those cover already we need to skip. So yeah, Wednesday you come in earlier lah, so you can listen all the counters. Okay, Maybank so far they do have a good pump on 4th of January. Recently retraced, supported by 20 MA and bounce up. So it's still good. Okay, 9 ringgit is the support. Okay, for like stocks like this, usually you need to wait one. Okay. On normal days, they maybe just retrace to 50 MA like that lah. Okay. Or yeah, during year end they go to 100 MAs. Okay, best timing is when the market has the fearful events and they suddenly sell down to 200 MAs. This is the best time for you to pick up discounters. Okay, otherwise you can see your upside is limited lah. Maybe from 9 ringgit to 915, then they retrace again. Okay, not much meat. Okay, unless you just 9 ringgit trading also expensive lah, the cost. Or you need to wait for the event, something like that. Or suddenly sell down, okay? Many bad news until you not really want to log into your broker account. That could be a best time for you to buy this kind of counters. Okay, especially when they test the 200 MAs. Okay, it's the best timing. Okay, otherwise, this is just a short-term trade, maybe from 890 to 915 or 9 ringgit to 925 like that. Okay, not much meat lah. Okay, just trading okay lah. But I don't think got traders want to trade so expensive counters lah. ABMB. Okay, ABMB. Okay, this a bit topish now. So best if wait for them to retest support somewhere around 337 or 333. Okay. So MLCV cover already, so we need to skip lah. Wellcall also cover already. Huayang, the name So Chinese name. Okay, pump out, retest 30 cents, another pump out. Yeah, if EP a little bit late already because previously when they pump out, they do have a retest at 30 cents. Okay, today already pump out and near the resistance 350. So you need to wait for the next chance lah when they probably retest 320 level like that. Okay, so the trend wise is still in uptrending, is still good. So take note on the resistance only lah. 350 370. Okay, review Kaskapi and Nkomin. Kaskapi. Gadang macam cover. Okay, we go for this one. More on sideway. Kaskapi. Good EP level. Okay, unless you know something we don't know. Otherwise, based on the chart, we see no sign of coming back. Even though on 8th of January, they have an attempt to break out, but macam also failed to break above 20 cents and now more into sideways. Okay, unless you know something, 180 I think should be fine lah. Okay, ideal level 160. They might just trading within 180, 160 like that go sideways until they can break above 20 cents. Only got story lah. Okay, and Comi. Okay, this kind of counters when they don't want come they will sideways forever. Okay, and Comin recently got bounce up. Thursday, Friday got volumes. Today neutral. And at the 50 MA, okay, if the price happen to retest 110, I think okay to KIV. Okay, go below 108, no good. Okay, so long above 108, I think this counter still watchable lah. How about Gadang? Gadang just now cover already or not? Okay, I think just now cover already. Okay, breakout 355, 30 cent, 40 cents is a immediate resistance. So if for those who still interested with these counters, maybe we can find out the immediate support 3750. Oh, I need to use also in the middle of these counters. Okay, so Genie Tech. I think it's Gintech not Gintic. Gintech. Wow, okay, this one sell down. 213 also break down, 2 ringgit also break down. So where's the potential bottom? Okay, 185 or 155. Yeah, take note this two level. We see any opportunity or any bounce from either of these level. Okay, 155 or 185. CPE. What CPE tech? Okay, let me see what is that. No wonder I don't know lah. Too new already. Okay, IPO first day pump, then wash down. Okay, today another pump out, other volumes. Okay, so means other chance lah. Okay, let me see 15-minute charts. Okay, 2:30 they started to pump in after the lunchtime lah. So the remaining days neutral. So probably we can put below discounters 955. Stay above, I think still okay. Okay, this since if your first day distorted already, this one sell down. Probably we can put 102 supported. Okay, 955. Okay, take note on 955. Okay, previously they pump up, they wash down, and today pump out a little bit with slight higher volumes. Okay, so long the price above 955, I think it's still watchable. Okay, but if they go below 955, maybe they will sideways lah. Okay, could be a false breakout. Okay, so far I see got some volume supported and hopefully, stay above 955, 950. I think should be okay. GBQ. Okay, let me try. Okay, don't have this. I think it's gabungan. If gabungan I cover already, seeding I cover already. SY group. SY group. Yeah, I think okay. Momentum ada 630. Okay, take note on this level. 630. Take note on this level. And if they go below 620, I think not so nice. Okay, stay above 620, 630, I think still good. Okay, but take note on the resistance. been tested twice already. 660. Okay, if we zoom out, I think tested more than twice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tested 4 times already. Unable to break through. So 660 would be their first strong resistance. And the next one, 70 cents. SY group. Okay, Kenaga and Jaya Tiasa. Kenaga. Look. Okay, just look. Okay, so far so good. So far they already pump out for so many days. Okay, they've been okay. Kenaga discounters they've been sideways since 2022. Okay, and recently they made a comeback lah. Okay, break above 940, break above 1 ringgit. Okay, so let me see. Today closing 109. So if they are strong resistance, I would say somewhere around 118, which was 2021 August and 2022 March resistance. Okay, about 118, 120. Okay, Jaya Tiasa. Okay, they are still Jaya, they are still in the uptrending mode. Okay, the only thing is they are at the resistance, 1 ringgit lah. Okay, everyone know 1 ringgit is a psychology level. Okay, once they break through, they will become a dollar stocks lah. Okay, once they can clear through another 10% resistance, is a 2022 March and also April strong resistance. Okay, you can see ever since they hit here, they turn into downtrend. Okay, they create the double top, breakdown, downtrend. So yeah, if they can clear 1 ringgit, you need to take note here lah. I think they somehow will respect this level lah. Okay, as this is a strong resistance. Okay, let me see anything. This is a long-term point of view. This counters is more on sideways lah. Okay, sideways. But yeah, but still need to take note on 110. 217. Okay, not important. Most important is a recent one. Okay. Next one is SP Setia resistant. Okay, SP Setia today finally got volumes pump out. Okay, even though last week actually quite ugly when they hit 955 and with a strong rejection. Okay, today finally they recover back above 870 with volumes. So yeah, we still need to respect this level because you can see back in last Monday, right? They have a strong rejection at the 955. Okay, somehow we still need to respect this as the resistance. Okay, once they can clear through, we only see 103 low. Okay, 103, 106. Okay, Shift, OCK, Nescon, Airport, Amway. Okay lah, we cover all lah. Okay, Shift at resistance 615 here tested already. So I guess if they are unable to break through, they might revisit the support, which is somewhere around 585. Okay, next one, OCK covered already, right? Okay, I can remember the chart, only I not really remember the name. Okay, stay above 460, I think still all right. Take note on the next resistance, which is 520. Okay, Nescon. Nothing much. Okay, tapi you can see since last year October onwards or November onwards, they have more trading activities coming in. So I think it's quite pretty interesting. Okay. Yeah, so long they are above 355, I think yeah, still ada some chance lah. Airport. Okay, airport so far so good. Okay, but they are at the September resistance, which is about 770. Today closing price 772. Okay, this is a support back in 2019. Okay, once they can stay firm above 770, should be good for airport. Okay, next resistance 8 ringgit and 850. Okay, I will put here lah. 850 is a 219 resistance. Okay, so far the airport trend is still in the uptrending mode, but on and off they will have some up down lah. Okay, it's like that one mah. Okay, how about M way. Okay, M way is still going up. Okay, so yeah, still okay lah. 637. Okay, today my chart load a bit slow. Oh, okay, they're at the resistance. This is a 2018 resistance. Okay, if we put the line here, maybe I put 640 lah. Okay. Oh, this was a support back in 2016, turned into resistance in 2018. So 640 is a resistance you need to take note. And the next one, 670. Yeah, I feel this counter is more on in liquid counters. So and also it's a 6 ringgit overs counters. So I think it's quite easy for them to push up if they wanted, or the demand suddenly spike up. I think the price is quite easy to move lah. Okay, this is what I think lah. So at the moment a little bit overbought lah. Okay, but still okay lah, still in the uptrend lah. Chengge JTSA. Okay, JTSA covered already. I need to skip lah. Okay, Chengge first Yeah, Chengge is more on okay potential bottoming only lah. Okay, they break below 330 already. Trend wise is still weak. Okay, recently they pump out unable to go through. For me, they still don't have any show yet lah. Okay, probably they might just go sideways here. So maybe I put 310. Okay, 310. Take note on 310. So long the price above 310, this is a potential bottoming. Okay. For the show to come back, they need to break through 330. Okay, once they can clear 330, maybe we'll have some upside to 360 or 375. Okay, otherwise they might just go sideways. At the moment, I see a bit boring lah. Okay, more on sideways. Okay, KGB WB we go. I think KGB just now we covered already, right? Yeah. Okay. WB 2026, still got 2 years still boleh tahan. Okay, for the sun, take note on 845. Stay above, I think okay lah. Okay, how about Pestec? EP 30 cents. Okay. On Friday, they attempt to break below 30 cents. But lucky thing closing with a hammer like candle, I think it's still alright. Today, the same as well. So I think it's still fightable. Okay, if it's still fightable if you wanted. Okay, since your EP is 30 cents, probably I put 275 as your last defense. Okay, this is the 200 MAs. Stay above, I think still alright. And hopefully hopefully they can go back above 315. If they can go back above 315, should be okay. Okay, SCIB so mangyat resistant but keep going up. Okay, what I see on this counter is they, as long as they have the intention and the money to push the market, yes, they still got chance to go up lah. Okay, just we don't know they want to support this until when only. Okay, when they sell, the selling would be fast and furious, and probably you don't have chance to sell. Okay, maybe it's a limit down or what, but yet to happen. So far, I see, yeah, if your entry price is low, you still can keep lah. But if you just plan to go in, I suggest do nothing is better lah. Okay, so far, CMSB, you can see since August until now these counters is still in the sideway. Okay, you can see they never go through 117. Okay, but they also never break below 102 lah. Okay, they are just go sideways. So no range to go until they break up or break down lah. So at the moment they are at one of the support 107. Okay, if break they might go back to 102 lah. Just like that lah. So you can see even though last week they have a good pump out still unable to go through 117 Sunview, Malak off, Genting Malaysia, KTC. Okay, price of India stock market. Okay, India stock market I not really I'm not really familiar at all, but later we can see lah. Okay. Uh, okay, for the Sunview, they are at the resistance. Okay, 200 MAs, 785. Okay, take note on this level. Malak off. Okay, this one is still good. Okay, at the resistance 675. Today got volume pump out. Hopefully tomorrow can go through 675 lah. Okay, once they can clear, then you can see 70 cents already. Okay, Genting Malaysia. Okay, near 10 p.m. already, so I need to try lah. I try my best. Okay, so they had the resistance at 289. Gonna press down. So now they are back into support level lah. Okay, Genting Malaysia, I think is still good lah. Just that previously they run up too much, then they need to retest the support. Okay, so long they are above 262, I think it's still good for the Genting Malaysia. KTC, Kim Tek Chong. Okay, Kim Tae Chong not so nice lah. Previously gap down. Okay, they do a round bottom, but I think okay only. Okay, they need to go through 230 lah. Baru ada story. Otherwise, 230 would be their resistance. Okay, MKLand cover already. Sorry, later you can scroll back. Okay, Nifty. Okay, actually, to be honest, I not really, not really analyzed on India counters before. I mean on the indexes. But you can see they are trading all-time high. Okay, so far they are still very good. Okay, in a good shape. Okay, for me, yeah, best if we can wait for them to do some correction down lah. Okay, if I base on here, you can see they do have a gap here. 20,600 and 20,300. Okay, wait for them to revisit this gap. Okay, probably is a best level to KIV lah. Okay, but the trend is very good, still in the uptrending. Okay, review GOB and JAX. Okay, we go for GOB. Okay, KTC covered already. We have to skip. PA also. Okay, PA also covered already. Okay, wrong country. GOB. Malaysia. Okay, this one. Ini quite disappointing. Nothing much more on sideway. Okay, for GOB. Yeah, they might just trading within 20 cents to 5. Just go sideways lah. Okay, momentum point of view, I think they do have potential as they already hit 20 cents. Okay, just okay, maybe I can say December onwards, they do have some volumes come in. So yeah, pending for something to trigger them. Okay, most important, they need to clear 245. Once they can clear, then we'll have more story lah. Otherwise, more on sideway, these counters. Okay, once clear, we can review again. Okay, JAX, still pressured by 200 MAs. Okay, so these counters also pending to break above 20 cents. 20 cents to 10. Once they can clear these two level, we only can see some story. Otherwise, you can see these counters. Okay. Okay, you just see. Okay, I close the line. You just see a yellow, orange line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, they never break through 200 MAs. So yeah, pending for the breakout lah. Okay, KTC cover ready. We go for Lei Hong. Lei Hong 30 cents. Okay, if we base on the 200 MAs, these counters actually is still steadying, going up. Okay, they are still above 200 MAs. So I think still okay, just that they don't have big movement lah. Okay, so for them, support maybe I put 290, 280. Stay above, I think it's still good. Resistance 315, 335. Okay, R1, R2, ADB. Nothing much. Sideway lah. This one they just washed down back in May. Okay, so at the moment what I think is they are most probably in sideway. Okay, January got built out some volumes lah, so maybe we can put the support at 640. Okay, and resistant to break 680 70 cents. Okay, PA cover ready, RG cover ready, Gtronic, Pestec cover ready, MN Holding also cover ready, MGB. Okay, let me see. What is that? MGB. In liquid counters, recently break below 200 mAs already. Okay, they do build up with some volumes. Probably we can put a resistance here, 695. And support. For me, I don't like these counters. I will feel they are quite illiquid, easily to manipulate. Okay, so long they are above 640, still watchable. Okay, go below, no game. Okay, not nice already. R1 tech. Nah. Okay, R1 tech already recovered back above 200 mAs. So take note on the 200 mAs level, 360. Stay above, I think it's still good. Okay, stay above 360, I think it's still alright. And recently the hit resistance at 420. Okay, so JT Group. Okay, JT Group already break recent high. Okay, previous extreme level 340. Okay, let me see 50-minute charts. Any sign? Today 9:30. Okay, high volume. Maybe I will put the support. Take note on here 330. Okay, so long they are above 330, I would say the trend should be still alright. Okay, but if they tomorrow close below 330, then not so nice. Okay, CMSB cover already. Supermax. Okay, B Auto also cover already. Okay. Okay, let's see. Supermax. Yeah, same lah. Or I can say most of the glove counter is more on retracement mode. Okay, they still unable to break through 103 for Supermax. So for me, I more prefer somewhere around 885, 860. Okay, which is a 200 mAs level. But if you still want to watch out your immediate support, maybe you can put about 930. Okay, 865. Okay, here bottom one I can delete already. Okay, so not so messy. Okay, so you can see they keep on unable to go through 103, then they're gonna press down. Okay, previously back in November, they unable to go through, then they go back to 865 880. Then this time, yeah, if this level 935 fail to hold, then you can wait lower lah. Okay, let me see, still got any okay. MKLand cover already, but okay, last one for you lah so I can pangkang already. Okay, MKLand today got good volumes, breakout above 240, breakout above 235. Okay, so these counters, take note, as long as tomorrow stay above 235 should be good. And 255 is their immediate resistance Okay, for me, maybe I can take away and put at, maybe I put here lah. Okay, probably based on this breakout, I think the next stronger resistance would be 265 to 280. So would be your R1, R2. As long as the closing price above 235 should be okay. Okay, so this is our last counters lah. Okay, we also sharing about 1.5 hours. Okay, so yeah, Wednesday you come earlier so you can cover all the counters. Okay, those I feel okay one Okay, maybe I'll give some hints Okay, maybe you put in watch list or I explain more on the trip plan then you know what happened Okay, so if you yet to join my Telegram you may screenshot it now. Okay, on and off I will give some short updates or you can ask me some question Okay, and also Sifu. Okay, they have finally have the interactive live chart. Okay, they are available at the iOS and the Google Play Store. Okay, so yeah, do try. Okay, just download and try it out if you, especially if you need a live chat, you may subscribe to their services. Okay, so thank you everyone for your time, and yeah, please help me to click like and also share this video, and see you on Wednesday. Okay, come earlier so we can cover more. Okay, so and thank you everyone, and see you again on Wednesday. Okay, 8:30. Thank you everyone.